Hiya, buddies. So I started 2023 with about 17,000 subscribers and set a goal to hit 30,000, maybe 40,000 in a dream scenario. And we just hit 50,000, so let's do a Q&A.
What's the best, or just a thing you've learned about yourself from producing these videos?
That I can still learn. It's like each video is taking a self-guided class on a historical topic, and I still have the passion and discipline to do it. Oh, and Trenton, thanks for being a Patreon patron.
Congrats on 50K. Do you have any videos for Asian historical figures planned?
I'd love to do one on Zheng He or a short one on Wan Hu, but this leads to the next question.
How many bad accents can you do?
As many as I can get away with.
Thoughts on the History Channel oversimplified?
Make more videos. Obviously they're a big inspiration, but I live in fear that they'll release a video on my next topic like a week before I do every time.
What's the hardest part to draw or animate?
Myself. Has my hairline retreated that much?
What do you wish is the path of your channel in the next year or two?
Honestly, I teach history in real life, but doing this YouTube thing full-time is the only thing I could see me leaving it for. I can't now, but who knows? I have my awesome supporters on Patreon, and special announcement, I'm launching memberships here on YouTube, where you'll get behind-the-scenes videos and updates, as well as this awesome toilet paper icon next to your comments. Over, not under, of course.
What started the toilet paper thing?
I needed a definitively correct thing, and I'm very invested. I even have the patent hanging up in my bathroom.
Why isn't a bidet being used? 50K means we gotta class it up now, my friend.
This man lives in the world we were promised, but not the one we deserve.
Will you ever repost on Mr. Bet's class?
Okay, if you don't know, Mr. Bet's class was my old channel, and I wish I could have posted Drawn of History stuff there, but then I'd run into teachers showing their class what they thought was a basic historical musical parody song, and was really a more in-depth historical video with a lot of dick and fart jokes.
Your videos are amazing. Do you have a team that helps you out, and how long does it take to make these videos?
It's just me. Researching, writing, recording, drawing, animating, editing, me. Oddly, researching and writing is the most strenuous part, and once I'm finally animating, 20 seconds a day is a good day.
Congrats on 50K, my dude. Anyway, my question is, how are you?
I literally can't remember the last time someone asked me that. I don't know, but thank you for asking.
How do you pick what you're going to cover?
I have an extensive list of topics ranked in order, and then I just do what I want. Seriously, I thought I was going to do the First Crusade and then just decided to do King John.
What do you use to animate, and what's your process?
I do all the drawing in Photoshop and animate in Premiere Pro. I know I should be animating in After Effects, and I do for the map portions, mainly because the same file size as in Premiere instantly crashes the program, but also because if I took advantage of everything After Effects could do, each video would take like 2 years.
Is Africa a country?
No, it's a continent. Am I missing something?
What influenced the way you draw your characters?
I used to be in the Navy as an air traffic controller, and on the note portion of my position console, I would draw this squarish flying squirrel for some reason, and my chief then gave me room on the Daily Manning sheet to make a cartoon, starring him that would make fun of anything about ship life, and the humor and character dimensions just kind of stuck with me. I'm not sure if any of that made sense to anyone but me, but yeah.
Which U.S. president, dead or alive, do you think had the best personality?
Always a big Teddy Roosevelt guy, but if I ever tried to make a bio-vid on him, I wouldn't be uploading for years.
Why do you collaborate with so many history YouTubers in a video, and how most of you guys met?
The smaller, aka less than 1 million subscriber history YouTuber circle is awesome and a decently easy nut to crack if you're also making good content. And animation is a great way to collab because voice work is about the easiest way to do it. Before I get to the final question, I just wanted to thank everyone that has subscribed, watched, and supported the channel. It's a labor of love that this year, for kind of the first year ever, showed that the audience might be there for something even bigger. Only time will tell. And now, for the most asked question.
Why doesn't Caesar Will we get a sequel to Caesar soon?
Caesar Part 2 at 100,000 subs?